The construction of Uganda's standard gauge railway line, SGR, was launched by President Yoweri Museveni, flanked by visiting heads of state of Rwanda and South Sudan, Their Excellencies Paul Kagame and Salva Kiir Mayardit, respectively, at a ceremony held at Munyonyo near Kampala, Wednesday evening, the 8th of October 2014. Also participating in the launch were Kenya's Cabinet Secretary for Transport and Infrastructure, Engineer Michael Kamau, representing Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta, and the Ethiopian Minister Dr. Fazil Harhoum, who represented Ethiopian Prime Minister Haile Mariam Desalegn. The standard gauge railway line is one of the Northern Corridor integrated projects being prioritized by the heads of state of Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda and South Sudan in their regular heads of state summits. The standard gauge railway line will start in Mombasa, on to Kampala through Nairobi and Maraba, and will traverse Uganda's countryside through Tororo to Guru, on to Nimule, on our northern border with South Sudan. The Guru line will also be extended to Pakwach in the West Nile region. The Kampala line will continue to Kasese, on to Mpondwe, on the border with the Democratic Republic of Congo. The southern route from Kampala will go through Mbarara, on to Kigali in Rwanda to the southwest. The ambitious $8 billion project is slated to be completed by the year 2018 and will be constructed by Uganda's People's Defense Forces Engineering Brigade and the Chinese Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC, as the main contractor. When completed, the railway line will reduce transport costs of goods and services in the region and will spur economic growth and development.
Our economies have been growing at high rates of growth, 6%, 7%, 8%. But they have been growing without a railway system, without enough electricity, without even a good road network. So therefore, we are now going into real business of developing our country.
The occasion was witnessed by ministers responsible for transport and works from the region and other delegates to the Heads of State and Government Summit on the Northern Corridor Integrated Projects that was hosted by President Yoweri Museveni at Speak Resort Munyonyo near Kampala. David Mutebire reporting.